Do you ever look in the mirror midday and realize that your eyeliner has transferred up to your eyebrows? Have you ever spent so long on your eyeshadow only to have it crease up on you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may have hooded eyes. Hi, my name is Kim from Crash Test Beauties, and today, me and a few of my hooded eye sisters are going to be testing out a few techniques to see if we can make these hooded eye problems disappear.
The skin right below your brow bone is lower, right? And
yeah.
And it covers up the lid, so if I look straight at you, you can't see my eyelid at all.
You don't have a lid space, essentially. You kind of have that hood over what your lid space would be coming from your brow bone, so it makes it hard to do like liner and shadow because you A, don't see it, or B, it gets really smudgy. It's a mystery, really.
It's gone. I have to lift up to find it. So then, I see it! Do you see it now? There it is!
Because we have hooded eyes and this like skin is here. It's like our crease is like down to the lash line. I'll like have my phone, I'll like follow tutorials, like, oh, I love that look, or I wanna use a fun color or something. Yep. And then I'm doing it and like, yeah, and I look up and it's like,
there's so many issues that we come across with creasing, everything blending together, no one can see it. We're gonna try this technique and it involves like lines and dots and it reminds me of high school geometry and I'm scared.
Ugh, I already have like foundation coming off on this.
Me too.
So next we're gonna get a napkin and then we're going to align this with the end of our brow.
And you're gonna make a dot right on top of the, right where your pupil is.
And then you're just gonna go straight line to the tissue.
Oh, I'm scared, okay. I feel like I'm playing with stencils now.
Don't take this darker shade all the way in. And this will be a test if your brows are the same. And if your the edge of your brow is different, it's probably gonna come out different. I feel like this lighter shade is really helping to boost.
Yeah.
To make the eyes look more open.
I think it really popped our eyes open. Mm-hmm. I think I would wear this look in the nighttime more, but it was actually it was pretty easy and so simple.
Yeah, I do think that this technique worked using straight lines and applying it higher than the crease because we don't really have like a visible crease.
Yeah.
But I'm curious to see if I'm just thinking that or if other people will think maybe my eyes look bigger.
I think this is the first time that geometry didn't fail me.
Typically, I will open my eye too soon when I'm wearing liquid and then it will just transfer straight to the top because it wasn't dry yet. And if I do happen to have the patience to make sure that I keep my eyes closed for long enough, then it transfers within a couple hours. Honestly, just especially if I get in the sun, then it just transfers right away because I start to get oily.
With eyeliner, I feel like it constantly transfers. I always find like it looks like another eyeliner right above it. If I wear it thick, it smudges. If I wear it thin, you can't see it.
So basically, you just can't win. Let's try this. I don't know how much I need.
This is big.
Oh yeah, I think you have a big eye. Little do they know you have hoods. Are you just buffing it with your finger?
Yeah. Use your ring finger.
Oh, ring finger, so no wrinkles. Ew, it kind of brightens it up even more.
Yeah, now my lids look really bright.
Cheers! Well, my lines don't look like twins, but they kind of look like sisters.
You have two is very impressive. a big difference.
Maybe we should go out after this.
To the farmer's market for pupusas.
To the farmer's market, yeah. I'll take a watermelon and a compliment.
And a compliment. And there's no transfer on mine. What about you?
Yeah, nothing on mine yet, but let's see how it goes throughout the day.
Yeah, we'll check back.
So halfway through the workday, I just got done with lunch and I walked to the farmer's market today. So I was out in the sun, sweating, and surprisingly, it didn't mess up my eyeliner. I don't know what's going on, but as you can see, maybe the tricks are actually working.
What do you think of my eyeshadow?
Your eyeshadow is stunning.
Do you think it makes my eyes look a little
Brighter.
bigger, maybe?
Opener, a little open. Is that a word?
I like that.
It totally opened up your eyes.
All right, it's time for my midday checkup. So far, so good. I took a walk and I was really hot outside. There was a lot of sweat involved and it stayed put. So let's see how it lasts for the rest of the day.
So it's towards the end of the day and this eyeshadow did not budge. I am so happy with it. It didn't crease at all, which is awesome. And I really think that primer and loose setting powder really worked. I think that combo really did the trick.
So I've had the eyeshadow on for about 8 hours. It's 8 o'clock right now, but this one, it's really going strong. It's persevering. There's no creasing. The color's pretty much the same. This one struggled a little bit. It does have some creasing, but no change in color. I think it may be because I was touching it. Definitely gonna keep prepping with the primer and the translucent powder. I think it worked. Success. Yay!
It's now around 9 o'clock. I've spent the whole day, basically from 10 a.m. till now with the eyeliner. And I think it held up really, really well. Let's see. There's literally like almost no transfer. It stayed in place. The only place I saw a little transfer is like right here. But honestly, like I'm good with that. It's very minimal compared to what I'm used to. But overall, I think it was really successful. Yay!
So I just finished yoga. It's about 9 p.m. and surprisingly, my eyeliner is still going strong again. There's a little bit of the rub off here at the top, but honestly, not much at all. I'm really surprised. I think that the reason why is because I use the setting powder and the primer because this has never happened to me before. Normally, it would be a hot mess. I would look like a clown. So I'm actually really impressed with the way that the setting powder and primer works, and I think I'm gonna start doing this more often because this is crazy.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to comment down below any of your hooded eye techniques because we definitely want to try them. Or if you have something you want us to test out next time, comment down below. We might feature it in our next video.